I've never scaled the mountain heights or Erin's hushed green sodden plains, and watched the sunbeams shyly creep from out the torpid mists and rains, to dance their laughing selves about the lonely heather on the moor, and bend in humble grace to kiss the tattered garments of the poor. I've never watched the gay larks flit o'er bogland and the cinnabon, to light upon a downy bud and pluck its lustrous seeds, then on across the moorish wastes to fly, and merge their warblings with the rills, to bid the drowsing sun arise from out its bed of moss-down hills. I've never trod the forest grounds where Gaelic beast and fowl do meet, or felt the sprightly elfin breeze that stirs the shamrocks at my feet, and coaxes forth the secretness the trees do keep. Nor have I known the sweetness that's the wild wood rose of fairest flowers, the Celtic grown. I've never strolled the mystic leas to list the dear enchanting lay of Erin's earth song, nor have I upon a summer's holiday been wont to dream beside her loss, until the day's last wisp of light has fired the heavens aglow and fled into the waiting arms of night. Paternal lips have ofttimes spoke to me of that eternal green, where hours are but the echoes of the youth of yesterday. But seen are not these splendors by my eye, and long I on that sod to be amongst my blessings. For lo, a bit of Erin has been born in me.